Best small business ideas to start in 2023. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Buy stock, store it, pick it, pack it, ship it. Managing inventory is a big commitment when you're running a business. Dropshipping is an easy, low-cost business idea to start and the first of our good business ideas. Dropshipping is a fulfillment model where a third-party supplier stores and ships inventory to customers on your behalf. It's one of the best businesses to start because it's low overhead, hands-off, and scalable. You don't need to handle any products yourself, you just need to make the sales and pass orders on to your supplier. In fact, it's one of the quickest and cheapest businesses to start. 2. T-shirts. Another dropshipping model. Print on demand puts inventory, shipping, and fulfillment in the hands of a third-party supplier. But unlike the dropshipping business idea above, the focus here is on customizing products with your own designs to create something original. T-shirts, hats, phone cases, hoodies, skirts, tote bags, and more become canvases for your creativity. You can think up witty slogans for developers or references that resonate with cat owners. If there's passion and pride within a community, there's a potential T-shirt business you can start. 3. Launch your own book. A book is just another type of product when you think about it. As such, you can create one to serve a particular demand in the market. Cookbooks, picture books, comic books, poetry books, photo books, coffee table books, and novels. If you've got the knowledge or creativity, there are a variety of original books you can bring to the market. The options are endless, that's why it's one of the best small business ideas to start. 4. Create digital products or online courses. Digital products like music, courses, podcasts, and templates are unique on this list of low-investment small business ideas. Unlike the others, they're not tangible. There aren't recurring manufacturing or shipping costs to worry about, so your margins can remain high, making it another no-brainer for being one of the best businesses to start. 5. Sell a service. Offering services isn't passive, but it certainly can be a lucrative way to gain self-employment. With services-based small business ideas, time is your inventory and your biggest investment. You've only got a limited supply of hours in your day. However, that makes it easier to get up and running if you've got skills that are in demand. Writers, graphic designers, virtual assistants, SEO practitioners, cleaning service providers, dog walkers, real estate professionals, and more can build a business around their skills. You could offer these skills as an ongoing service or start a consulting business that advises on projects. 6. Create an online fashion boutique. If you love fashion and sharing your sense of style online, you can consider creating your own online fashion boutique. You don't need to become a fashion designer, you can simply curate items from other vendors into your own online store, using the dropshipping model we discussed earlier. Sell handcrafted and homemade goods. If you're a maker, whether you DIY soap, candles, sauces, or pottery, you're in a unique position to find a small business idea, because product development and procurement are literally in your hands. Unlike many of the other ideas on this list, you will need to consider shipping and inventory management, but you can start out simple on a per-order basis or with a small batch until you start generating consistent sales.